What's up, guys? Well, wait. Oh, shoot. I'll put it on if we can hit, like, 5 likes this video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about YouTube Rewind of 2019. Now, when I looked at this video, the first thing I looked at was a description. And what they said was, in 2018, we made something you didn't like. For Rewind 2019, let's see what you did like. So apparently, YouTube was aware that we hated Rewind 2018. Now, 2018 Rewind was absolutely garbage. It was like, as Kevin states from The Office, eating a hot, circling pile of garbage. For 2019, all it really is just a list. And by no means am I against YouTube Rewind. It's just that it's not that creative. It's just a list. To make Rewind a little more fun, you should honestly, put a bunch of creators, not just the top. Like, put a bunch of them. No, we're not talking top 10, top 20, maybe like the top 100. That would make a lot of sense. Like, it wouldn't be a 5-minute video. It would be more like a 20. You post this once a year. It should be, like, sort of creative when it comes to that kind of thing. Now, is it better than last year's? Definitely. It is definitely better than last year's. But it could be more creative for 2020. Next year, you really have to make it more creative. Because YouTube is sort of on a down spiral right now, if you think about it. Because what's going on with, being able to include minors in your videos and things like that, it's kind of going down at this point. Honestly, if they made a YouTube Rewind for 2020, they should just make the entire thing about Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is probably the one reason why I'm still on YouTube at this point, because his content is, let's just put it, not clickbait for one, and two, actually entertaining, alright? And, I'm not entertaining at all, I can tell you that right now. I haven't really seen a lot of hate about this yet. I haven't seen a lot about YouTube Rewind 2019. I've seen a few reviews on it. It hasn't been that bad. Mostly just people just saying it's better than last year's and stuff. Yeah, people don't really have an opinion on this yet. It's too new. It came out on December 6th. I think we need to give it a good month before people actually start coming out with the ratings and things like that. Anyway, those are my thoughts on YouTube Rewind 2019. It wasn't that much. I was just telling you what was going on about it. Yeah, I'm actually editing a video right now for health class. It's going to be pretty good, I can tell you that. I'm going to post it to YouTube after I share it in health. I know some people who go to our school who watch my YouTube videos, and I don't want to spoil it for y'all. So, yeah, that video will be coming out maybe next week, I think. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.